Good morning. Today is March the 26th, 2018, and this is the Wake Up Call with CJ Hallett. It's time to get up. All right, so today's thought of the day is when it rains, look for rainbows. When it is dark, look for stars. And it's kind of an ongoing thing, and you'll see it's basically the stay boosted mindset. And that is to make sure, regardless of what you're going through in life, that you focus on finding the positive. Excuse me. There are so many different times in life I personally have stayed boosted when I didn't realize that's what it was yet. Like, I didn't have a name to call it or anything like that. There was so many different issues I could go back to as a kid. I'm not going to bore you guys with those stories right now. But if you remember, as you go through life, whether you get fired, heaven forbid you lose a loved one, you have that client that refuses to pay you, you get into an argument with your husband or your wife, or whatever the case may be, there's always a positive takeaway. And and it's not easy to find, but when you do, and you're actually able to get in that place mentally where you find the positive takeaway from everything, it will strongly change your life. I don't want to go on too much longer. Just wanted to take a quick second and say thank you guys so much for those of you who've been listening to me. I hope this helps some people. I hope you guys enjoy this. Be sure to subscribe to the podcast. It is on Google Play and the iTunes podcast app. You can also subscribe via Anchor. If you guys want to download Anchor, you can get all my podcasts each morning as they go live on Anchor, or you can look them up on anchor.fm. Other than that, please feel free to share, comment your thoughts. What is a positive takeaway that you've taken away from a negative situation? And other than that, be great, stay boosted, and we'll see you at the top. Have a good one.